edited gibberellic. You know that in the paddy plant and rice plant, the foolish plant, Bakane disease created. And this Bakane disease caused by Gibberella fungi. And this Gibberella fungi secretes one chemical known as gibberellin. अच्छा એના માટે તમે કયા પોઈન્ટ્સ યાદ રાખવાના છો? હા 3 types.
More
Three
than
types
100.
nothing.
More than 100.
More than 100 types. GA1, GA2, GA3 like that. Okay.
GA3 is most famous.
GA3 is first gibberellic acid was invented.
Yes.
Then, very good. All the gibberellic acids are acidic in nature. Good. Then,
It is synthesized more in dark.
it is more in dark. Okay.
It increases the length of axis of plant.
How? You're absolutely right.
Internode elongation.
It increases the length of the stem by elongation of the internode. So it increases the yield in sugarcane.
Biting.
Sugarcane is the most the sugarcane juice. That portion is of the internode. It increases the internode. Good. Then
Biting process.
biting process.
Bakery. Yeah.
Biting process in the brewing process, brewing industry. લખાવું છું બધા પોઈન્ટ્સ આવશે રિપીટ થશે. Then it removes dwarfism or it prevents the dwarfism. You know that in human being the growth hormone is less secreted
Yes.
and dwarfism occurs.
Yes.
So similarly in the plant growth hormones, due to the genetic disorder dwarfism there. So it eliminates the dwarfism. Fine? Okay. So now see. GA3 molecular formula is C19 H26 O6. Out of the total 100, more than 100 types of the gibberellic acids. So more than 100 types we have given the name to them. GA1, GA2, GA3 and so on. But out of that all the gibberellic acid, GA3 was first discovered. Right? Gibberellic acid precursor is acetyl coenzyme A. Precursor is acetyl coenzyme A or malolonic acid. The precursor of gibberellic acid is acetyl coenzyme A or malolonic acid. The most important thing, elongation of the internode is known as bolting process. Remember it, fine? The elongation of the internode is known as bolting process. So bolting process is promoted in wheat, cabbage and many plants. With rosette effect.
Pink.
With rosette effect, pinkish color. Rosette effect, that is known as pinkish color. And bolting process, please remember that. So we say that bolting hormone. We say that bolting hormone is known as gibberellic acid. Is it clear? So you edit the points by your own manner in your own language. In which way you can easily remember it. Improve the yield in the sugar cane. 20 tons per acre. It improves yield in sugar cane. 20 tons per acre. Improve the shape in apple. Improve the shape in apple. Improve yield in grapes. In this you can edit it. Improve the yield of grapes. Increase the length of axis. Increase the length of axis by elongation of the internode. By elongation of internode, also you write that bolting also. It is same. It increases the length of axis by bolting process and increase the length of the grape stalk. Increase the length of the grape stalk. It delays senescence. It delays senescence to improve market period. See, here what this indicates. It reduces the senescence. Senescence means fall off. You know. Abscission. Senescence means aging. So it inhibits or reduces the senescence. So as a result, the grapes or the other yield can be connected in contact with the plant for a prolonged time. So it improves the market value. So in market that product is available for a long time. And you know that when senescence occurs, after the senescence, naturally the abscission layer is formed, is generated and improve the senescence. So it prevents the senescence and abscission. As a result, any type of the product can coming in contact with the plant for a prolonged time. So in market it is available for the long time. So improve the market period like that. improve early seed germination in conifers. Improve early seed germination in conifers. It is used in the brewing industry. It is used in the brewing industry to improve the malting process. Some points are given in the textbook, underline that, note down it. Unnecessary points don't write it, please. If it is possible. If you want to write all the points, we don't mind. Brewing industry, you know that there is beverages, yes. Brewing industry means beverages are formed, showing that it is helpful for malting procedure. So, gibberellic acid convert these starch into maltose. It induces the synthesis of alpha amylase, it induces the synthesis of alpha amylase, protease and lipase. Bracket you write hydrolytic enzymes. In bracket, hydrolytic enzymes to induce early seed germination. To induce early seed germination. So here we say like that. That sequence is broken down with the help of production of these all the hydrolytic enzymes. So when you give the gibberellic acid to the seed, surrounding to the seed, it improves or it induces or it increases the production of this all the hydrolytic enzymes. So with the help of this alpha amylase, carbohydrate is digested, protein is digested, and with the help of the lipase, lipid is digested. So metabolic process is aggravated in the seed. I mean to say the seed is metabolically active and the germination in the seed occurs earlier. So it remove the seed dormancy by production of this all the hydrolytic enzymes. Bioassay for gibberellic acid. Barley endosperm test. Here we are talking about GA. Fine. Dwarf PN maize test. So most of the points for gibberellic acid is over here. It produces in dark. ये याद रखो टेक्स्ट बुक में थिंक नहीं होगा. Okay, it produces in more amount in dark. Okay. So finally, gibberellic acid is over. Any doubt related to this? Anybody has? Ask me. Now, okay, few points for cytokine related to textbook. Which points you remember that?
First one, the herring fish.
Yes, first form in the form of herring fish. Good. Then,
It does not occur naturally in plants.
yes, it is naturally absent in the plant. Good. Then,
Zeatin was derived from corn kernels
okay,
and coconuts.
And the cytokine is synthesis in region that cytokine occurs.
okay. So it is mostly found in the part of the plant where growth occurs.
Root apices.
Root apices, shoot apices, fruits. Yes. Tell me about kinetine, the most important. Kinetine is adenine derivative. Purine nitrogenous base, adenine derivative, kinetine. And later on the same like natural cytokinins are observed in the coconut milk as well as the maize in the Z18 form. Clear? Fine. Let's see the few points. Cytokinin was first discovered by Skoog and Miller. अच्छा वो यहाँ CK लखूँ तो चालसे ने? हाँ? CCK, what is the difference between CK and CCK?
Cholecystokine.
Ah, yes. So CCK is cholecystokine. That is, what is the function of this CCK? Cholecystokine. 22 માં 16 માં આવ્યો તો 22 માં છે એટલે કીધું છે તો પછી પૂછી લેવામાં શું ખોટું છે CCK. Cholecystokinin stimulates contraction of the gallbladder. So, cytokinin first discovered by Skoog and Miller. अच्छा આવી રીતે હવે ધ્યાન રાખજો એક મિનિટ લખી લો કોઈ ઇશ્યુ નથી 7th chapter evolution 7th chapter evolution એની અંદર યુરિયન મિલર એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ આવશે yes they form the exactly artificial reaction chamber just similar to the earth. Union Miller performed the experiment in the reaction chamber just similar to the earth and how the first life was originated. So ત્યાં યુનિટ મિલર અને સ્કૂગ મિલર એટલે બેનું કન્ફ્યુઝન ન કરતા ધ્યાન રાખજો બરાબર સિમિલર વર્ડ્સમાં બહુ વેરિએશન આવશે root tips are major site of synthesis of the cytokine. Root tips are the major site of synthesis of cytokinase. Promotes the growth of the lateral cord. So it is antagonist of auxin.
Apical dominance.
So in auxin apical cord dominance there. So here it stimulates the growth of the lateral cord. So it induces the lateral growth, increase the girth of the plant. So it is antagonist of auxin. Cytokinin is antagonist of auxin. It promotes nutrients mobilization. It promotes nutrients mobilization towards the young parts of the plant, which helps in delayed senescence. Helps in delay of senescence. Actually कोई part of plant delay actually कोई part plant નો જે છે એ senescence થઈ રહ્યો aging માં આવી ગયો. So from the aged part of the plant, mobilization of the nutrients to the young parts. Suppose कोई branch dry થઈ રહી છે, leaf dry થઈ રહ્યા છે. So at that place, see you know that sorry yes chapter study નથી કર્યું source and sink. એક word છે source and sink. Generally, I can explain you right now. કીધું છે તો કહી જ દઉં. Naturally, the leaves are source. The source at the part where the food is formed or the food is synthesized. એમ કહી શકાય source. Remember, what food is synthesized or food is stored એને source કહેવાય. For example, in the leaf, after photosynthesis, the food is synthesized, and large amount of the food is synthesized, but it is not used in the metabolic process occurs in the plant. So that unused food is stored. Unused food is stored in the different parts of the plant, just like that. We say that in the root, stem, or leaf, etc., etc. For example, carrot, radish, beet, all are the examples of the root in which the food is stored, and that become fleshy, which is edible also, but it become fleshy. Potato, ginger, turmeric, amorphophallus, and a suran kehvaય. Zamin kand, suran, amorphophallus, zamin kand. In this all, the food is stored in the form of in stem. So the stem stores the food and become fleshy. Potato, ginger, turmeric, mango ginger, amba hardware. ये पाँचों एक अलग forms. So ginger, turmeric, all are belonging to same species. Genus different, but species same. Similar to it, the leaf form the food fine, that is stored in the leaf. Example, garlic and onion. Garlic and onion, the edible portion, that is leaf base. કઈ વાંધો નહીં, લીલું લસણ યાદ કરો. આપણે એ રીતે સમજીએ, પ્રેક્ટિકલી તમને હું કનેક્ટ કરાવું. લીલું લસણ હો, ડ્રાય નહીં. એમાં જે ઉપર લીવ્સ છે, લીલી ટોપરી એ યાદ કરો, સેમ. આની નીચે જે બલ્બ છે એના શેપમાં ચેન્જીસ હશે, ટેસ્ટમાં ચેન્જીસ જ હોય પણ એમાં શેપમાં ચેન્જીસ હશે. સો અપસાઇડ લેમિના there. If you know the parts of the leaf, then and then you understand it easily. That green colored leaves are nothing but lamina. So all the leaves are connected together, that is known as petiole. You can cut the petiole and remove the lamina. So at that time, the remaining portion is leaf base. So many leaf bases stores the food and become fleshy, and each and every leaf base can be separated with the help of the thin membrane in onion. And we can take this section to observe the plant cell. We can take this section and see under the microscope, and just like a tiles arrangement, it is helpful for observation of the plant cell. We can take this sample at common. Very common, it is used. And the thick cells or animal cell. You know the 8th chapter. So onion in there, outermost layer is dry and papery one. When you think about the garlic in that one leaf base stores the food and covered by dry and thin layer, and all the leaf buds are united together and form the bulb, that is also covered by dry and thin layer. So onion is known as tunicated bulb. એમાં એક જ લેયર હોય. મેં તમને જે હમણાં વાત કરી ને ગાર્લિકની, એમાં એક લસણની કળીની વાત કરી. Only one leaf base stores the food and covered by dry and papery protective layer. લસણની કળી layer. Only one bud, leaf base. All are united together and form the bulb-like structure. And that is also covered by dry and thin protective layer. Common. And આખું લસણ કહેવાય. ઓલી લસણની કળી કહેવાય. Onion scientific name is Allium cepa, and the garlic scientific name is Allium sativum. Allium sativum. So onion is tunicated bulb, whereas garlic is compound tunicated bulb. Compound tunicated bulb. So onion is tunicated bulb, whereas garlic is compound tunicated bulb. We see like that. It produces the chloroplast in leaves. I think it is there. It helps to produce the chloroplast in leaves. Cytokinin and auxin combining promotes the differentiation. એટલે કાલે આપણે વાત કરી હતી in callus culture we kept the one cell of the plant which consists the desired character. Suppose તમારે કોઈ એક એવું સ્પેશિયલ ફીચર જો પ્લાન્ટ છે તમારી પાસે એના તમારે ઓફસ્પ્રિંગ્સ રીજનરેટ કરવી છે બરાબર. પ્રોડક્ટિવિટી ઇઝ મચ મોર સેટિસ્ફાઈડ, પ્લાન્ટ ઇઝ produce the high yield, but everything is okay. So you select the one cell of the plant, put it in the cultural medium, that is agar-agar gel or agarose gel, and apply auxin as well as cytokine. See, auxin stimulate the cell division, but cytokine improve the phases of the growth. Cytokinin improves the phases of the growth. You know that initially meristematic phase, then elongation phase, and then maturation phase. So it improves the growth. Cytokine. If you catch the word cytokinin, division of the cell division is promoted. So cytokinin and auxin are combined. Promotes the differentiation. When you kept the cytokinin in more amount than the auxin, when you kept the cytokinin at a high concentration than the auxin, then shoot differentiation occurs. And when auxin is highly concentrated than the cytokinin, then root differentiation occurs. Bioassay of the cytokinin. Probecopic cell division test and chlorophyll preservation or retention test. Ethylene and abscisic acids are remained. Fine, that we will take it in the next lecture. But એક આર્ક ઓક્ઝેનોમીટર એક એક્સપ્લેન કરવું છે અત્યારે. આર્ક ઓક્ઝેનોમીટર એક ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં થોડો અલગ પાર્ટ નથી ટેક્સ્ટબુક. How we measure the growth in the plant? બહુ ઇઝી છે, સાંભળો. એક સિમ્પલ ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરું છું, તમારે ખાલી સમજવાનું છે, બરાબર. આર્ક ઓક્સેનોમીટર ઇન ધેટ in this way one scale is there, fine, and here pulley is present. In this shape the scale is there. Here at this place 0 might be, here markings are there over here, fine, and here this is the pulley, this is the pulley, and the main point of the pulley can be connected with the arrow. So this arrow can demark any one digit over this scale. Fine. અહીંયા આ સ્કેલ છે, આપણે ઓલું લાર્જ wooden scale or plastic scale in this shape, and at this region pulley is there. Pulley, ગરગડી કહેવાય, બરાબર. So now the center of the main point of the pulley is connected to the needle or the arrow, which mark over the scale at any place. કઈ વાંધો નહીં, અત્યારે લખજો. Now pass the string from the pulley, fine, select the well-developed water plant and tie up the one end of the string over the tip of the shoot over here. Tie the one end of the string which is passed through the pulley. Fine. So tie the end of the string just over the tip of the stem, and on the other side you can now tie the weights. After making this such type of the arrangement, this arrow mark the particular measurement over this scale, not down it. That is known as initial parameter or initial length. બરાબર. તમે જ્યારે આવી રીતે આખું ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ અરેન્જ કરો, આખું તમે ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ અરેન્જ કરો ત્યારે જે એરો છે એ સ્કેલ ઉપર કોઈ માર્કિંગ બતાવે, એને નોટ ડાઉન કરે. That is initiated length of the plant. Fine. Leave the plant for such a period of time. That period of time is decided. કે સપોઝ તમારે 1 week પછી ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરવું છે, so keep that plant in a such a suitable atmosphere so it promotes the growth in the plant. Leave it for 1 week. After 1 week you can now see on this scale, so this scale can show the some gradient. પડે છે ખબર? So at last it demarks particular measurement over this scale. Subtract it from the terminal record, last record and initiated record, and then you identify that within a 1 week this much length is increased. So અહીંયા શું થશે? When you give the suitable atmosphere to this plant, the stem increased. As a result, this weight comes down. As a result, the arrow move over the scale. So this is known as arc oxenometer. To measure the length of the plant, we can use this common instrument is known as arc oxenometer. Clear? So this is about the few points of this chapter. Fine. Remaining thing we will discuss in the next lecture.